Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today what we have here is a Lasco Smart Wi-Fi LED bulb. It is called a smart bulb because it is actually an interactive electronic gadget which you can control by using a smartphone, a tablet, by a voice command, and other things as well. First, let us try to check what are the specifications of this LED bulb. It is 220 volts, 10 watts, have 900 lumens, color temperature from 2700K to 6500K. Interface is E27, compatible with Android and iOS, and does not require a hub. You can set a schedule to turn it on or turn it off, control or adjust color brightness and saturation. And it works with a lot of applications like Lasco app, Smart Light, Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Tuya app, and Siri. Okay, and now let us configure and set up the device. First is you need an E27 socket, like usually the one hanging on the ceiling. And for us, we're going to use this lampshade which has an E27 socket as well. As you can see, this is a standard LED bulb. Now, after that one, you need to turn on the switch or plug the power cable on the wall. Okay, remember that the switch should always be turned on all the time because the actual switch of the light will be via application. And then at first you will see the LED light will keep on blinking as an indication that it is not configured or connected. Then for the configuration, we'll be using a Smart Light application for now, and it will be the same for the other application as well. Smart Light application, then choose Add Device. Okay, and of course, you need to turn on the Bluetooth of your mobile phone or mobile device. Okay, and after that one, it will automatically detect if there is a new device, a smart device that is ready for pairing. And right now, as you can see, there is an LED bulb in here, and let's try to click Add. Okay, and it was able to detect Smart Light RGB CW, and click plus. And of course, the Wi-Fi password for your Wi-Fi network. So I have entered my Wi-Fi password in here and click next. Okay, and after that one, you will see the LED light will stop on blinking, meaning that it is already configured or connected. Then we're going to click on done for this one. All devices added, confirm. Okay, and right now, Smart Light RGB CW is configured. And as you can see, there is an Amazon Alexa that is actually connected to my Smart Light application. So Amazon Alexa, my Echo, that will be able to detect this Smart Light as well. Okay, for now, let's try to check what are the things that it can actually do. Okay, let us try to check the application here. Click on this Smart Light app. And as you can see, you can configure the color for this one. For now, it is white. You can actually adjust it to warm white, cool white, and maybe daylight. And you can also adjust the brightness for this one. As you can see here, I hope you can still see it on the camera. Okay, and aside from that one, the RGB color. Click on this one. As you can see, it is red. You can also set it to pink, blue, and other colors as well. Yellow, green. Okay, and also you can adjust the brightness if you want, and the color saturation. Okay, as you can see, you can play with the color that you want. And aside from that one, we also have scenery here. So let's say, for example, night, or maybe a reading light, or if you're working, or if you have a colorful. Meaning colorful, it will be changing color light from time to time. As you can see, red, green, blue. Okay, and aside from that one, we have other things as well. Dazzling. There are actually a lot of scenes in here, and you can also edit that one. And also, it can be configured as music. If you have a party going on or have a loud music coming, you can set it to music and it will adjust with the tune of your music. Okay? And aside from that one, let us try to check the Amazon Alexa app. Okay, maybe I'll try to just change this to white for now. Okay, just to make sure that it is already working. As I mentioned earlier, you should always turn on or plug the LED light always. Okay, and now let us try to turn off the LED light. Okay, as you can see, it can be turn on or turn off by application. And aside from that one, let us try to check the Amazon Alexa app. Okay, where is my Alexa? Okay, for my Alexa, let us try to check the device. So, devices, and what we have here is lights. And right now, we have Smart Light RGB CW. You can actually rename the smart device that you have on your mobile phone. So, for now, let us just leave it be Smart Light. Okay, like for example, for voice command, let us try to home. Alexa, change Smart Light color to pink. Okay, as you can see, it is pink. And maybe, I hope you can still see it on the camera or on the screen that it is actually pink. And let us try to change the color again. Alexa, change color to blue. Oh, sorry, I forgot to mention smart light. Okay, but it was able to detect that it's a smart light, so it's working as well. So, Alexa, turn off smart light. Okay, as you can see, it was able to turn off the smart light, change color, turn on the smart light, and it works great. It will also work for Google devices and Siri and other applications as well, whichever you like. And there you have it, guys. You have seen on how it works, how it performs, and how easy it is actually to configure. And who is this LED bulb for? Okay, I believe it's for everyone. If you just want a mood change, or you want your lightings to follow your mood, if you want a warm white for accent, you can actually set this one. And of course, if you want it very bright, if you want to have a party in your house, you can set it on the music settings. It will work that way. And this thing is actually flexible. And for the pricing of this one, I believe I purchased this one around 499 or 500 pesos on Lazada. And I think they also have a 9-watt version, which is a lot cheaper, around less than 300 pesos. And I think that is a good deal as well, with of course lower wattage, 9 watts compared to 10 watts, and lower lumens as well. It actually depends on you. But okay, aside from that one, the one thing that I also like regarding this smart Wi-Fi LED bulb is the scheduled timer, on and off timer. Okay, what is actually the benefit of that one? If I'm leaving home and no one is around the house, of course during nighttime, some burglars might think that okay, there is no one at the house, and maybe we can get inside and steal things inside the house. Okay, the good thing is if you have a light at home, burglars might think that there is actually a person in the house, and that is actually a good option for me if I just want to turn on or turn off the light using a timer, or wherever I am. As long as I have an internet connection, I can turn on or turn off this LED bulb. That is actually a great option for me. And aside from that one, I think that is all. And if you have questions, comments, and suggestion, comment down below or message me at JK Chavez, and I'll try to answer as much as I can. And guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Stay safe, and bye.